Just a very brief explanation of vote, Mr. President. So, I voted no to the motion because it clearly contains dangerous language susceptible to a lot of interpretations, Mr. President. Kita naman natin sa explanation of vote ng ating mga kasama, suspend lang palang gusto, return ang ginamit. Return na nga ang ginamit, remand ang explanation. So, ganun kadelikado po yung lingwahe na ginamit natin. Tapos yung gusto natin ma-achieve, dali lang yun. That's achievable by an advisory as I suggested earlier, Mr. President. Well, at any rate, Mr. President, we are communicating, if you will, the motion communicates with a body which is not yet in existence actually. Nasa 19th Congress pa tayo, but we want to already talk to or communicate with the 20th Congress. But as someone who did not vote for the motion, ang konsuelo ko lang siguro dun, yung number 2 actually recognizes cross-Congress transfer of the impeachment case from the 19th to the 20th Congress. That is now the clear and unmistakable interpretation of number 2. So thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.